guys, what's up? I'm Sam. I'm one of the stylists here at Kidpik, and today I'm going to show you guys some fall trends. Alright, so our first look we have here is more of a classic look. We have a mustard fuzzy sweater, which is so cute and so soft. I love it. And then I put it with a nice cute little plaid skirt, perfect for back to school, very cute. And then we paired it with one of our really cute star sneakers, which I love this sneaker, top hit. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this jean jacket with it, just in case it's a little chilly out. September, can go on cold. So yeah, super cute. And let's pair it with some accessories. Okay, I'm gonna just add this little gold bag. Very cute. Brings out the gold in the shoe all together. Perfect. So that's a nice classic look for back to school. All right, the second trend we got here is some cheetah. Yes, animal print is so in, and we're super excited for this fall season because we have so many things that are animal print. So cute. We also paired it with a denim shirt. You can't go wrong. Cuff the sleeves a little bit for some style. And then a cool combat boot, which I love. It has studs and grommets. It's awesome. And these pants are really stretchy, which is really nice. Perfect. I'm just gonna add this pretty bracelet to go with the look.